Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. My today topic is DIY anti-aging face masks for instantly smoother and firmer skin. Who doesn't like to look young and beautiful at all times? We do everything in our power to prevent signs of aging from showing. But for an anti-aging skincare routine to be really effective, it's very important that you start within your early 20s. An easy yet effective way of getting into the world of anti-aging skincare would be to try some DIY face masks. There are some effective anti-aging face masks that you can indulge in to give your skin the nourishment it needs to make it appear healthier and more youthful in no time. You don't even have to spend a lot of money for these face masks. You can easily make them using ingredients that are easily available and may also be present in your kitchen at this very moment. Yes, that's correct. Read under and to find out some amazing DIY anti-aging face masks recipes using ingredients right in your kitchen. But before we do that, it is important to throw some light on the factors that cause premature signs of aging to show on the skin. So I'm sharing DIY egg, egg white plus honey plus tea tree oil face masks. How to prevent. In a mixing bowl, separate the egg white from the yolk and add to it a teaspoon of honey along with 4 to 5 drops of tea tree oil. Apply this mixture to a thoroughly cleansed face. Keep it on for 20 minutes and then wash it off with water. Benefits. The reason why this DIY anti-aging face mask is effective is because the egg whites have natural astringent properties that help tighten your skin, reduce the appearance of pores, and make your skin appear firmer. The honey helps provide an instant moisturizing effect, and the tea tree oil acts as a natural antiseptic to keep acne at bay. I hope you like my video. Give me thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.